The president of the Association of Local Government Authorities of Jamaica, Winston Maraj, says yesterday's shooting death of People's National Party councillor for the South Borough Division, Ainsley Parkins, has sent shockwaves throughout municipal corporations across the island. Mr. Maraj has also urged the authorities to ensure the killing of the councillor is not the start of a new trend to attack politicians. Anthony Lugg has details.
It's been 24 hours since Councillor Ainsley Parkins was murdered, and investigators are still trying to determine who's responsible and the possible motive for the killing. With that on the way, family, well-wishers and colleagues are still trying to come to terms with the gruesome attack. Winston Maraj is president of the Association of Local Government Authorities of Jamaica, ALGA.
We are really saddened by this incident, and we are hoping that it is not the beginning of such acts against political representatives or elected representatives.
The gruesome killing of Mr. Parkins has led to calls for councillors to be afforded some form of security, like members of parliament. Some argue that the nature of the job put them in danger, especially as they traverse some communities.
Whether it be a security guard or a police officer, and I understand police officers are stretched for personnel, but it is something that we definitely will have to look at, and we will be having discussions around this.
In May 2022, JLP councillor caretaker for the South Borough Division, Lennox Hines, was shot and killed inside his vehicle along Marcus Garvey Drive. With concerns about the safety of councillors, Mr. Maraj is urging members to remain vigilant.
And be aware of your surroundings. You can never be too careful. Okay? And please be very cautious as to how you move, how you drive, and ensure that you are always observing your surroundings, because we don't know what will happen next.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.